Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at these solar outdoor step lights. I have steps over there on my deck and I have steps over here, and I want to light those up, so I'm very thankful that the brand sent these to me so that I can give them a try and use them. And so let me get them set up and then I'll tell you about them. First of all, they come very nicely packaged, so each one is in its own protective shrink wrap, and then there are these two-sided stickies. On-off button. The instructions said to put them out in the sun for 4 to 6 hours to charge. I put them on the porch railing to charge and they look like headlights. So now I can put them on the steps. These are going to be perfect to light up these steps right here. I need another set for the other side. I really like these. They're super easy to set up. They come with a sticky backing double-sided tape to put them down, and they're super easy to charge and install. I really like them. I think you will too. If you found this video helpful, click that thumbs up below and follow my shop for other great Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.